to my channel, and I'm gonna make a special treat for you guys. It's gonna be so good. I'm gonna make chocolate peanut cluster. You need 2 ingredients, chocolate and peanuts. I'm using peanuts, but you can use any kind of nuts. First step, don't eat the chocolate. Break it up and put it in a jug. Oops. One jug of chocolate. I'm gonna go and put it in the microwave. The chocolate's melted. Let's give these babies a nice chocolate bath. I'm putting all the nuts in. I'm gonna stir. Let's take the chocolate out and the peanuts out and put it on this pan. Now we have to wait for it to cool down, and then you can enjoy. The peanut chocolate cluster is ready. How does it look? It looks pretty good. Hope you enjoy our video. Please remember to subscribe on the red button below. Hope you enjoy our video. Bye!